Running a product catalog ad on Instagram. Hey there, friends! Instagram has become a favorite platform among retailers because it enhances the visual experience of potential customers checking a product line. If you want to increase your sales the way top retailers do, there's no better way than to run a product catalog ad on Instagram. And in this lesson, we're going to show you how to do it easily, step by step. Creating a catalog. Before you are able to run a catalog ad on Instagram, you will need to create a catalog to promote. You can do this through the Ads Manager by clicking on the Tools menu button, then on the Catalogs option. Once on the Catalog Manager page, click on Create Catalog. Now select the category that best describes your business. Click on Next and select the method that you are going to use to upload your catalog. For this example, we'll select Upload Product Info. Now select the business that owns the catalog. You can select Personal if you haven't added any business information to your Ads Manager. Now enter the name of your new catalog into the Name Your Catalog field. Then click on Create. You can add products to your catalog by going back to the Catalog Manager. For this, click on the Catalogs option in the Tools menu. Once on the Catalog Manager page, enter your catalog. On the Catalog page, click on the Products tab. Next, click on Add Products. On the following page, select to add manually. Then you can start filling your product info, which includes product image, name, description, website link, and price. Once you have added all this info, click on Add Product. Repeat these steps to add the rest of your products to the catalog. Setting up the product catalog ad campaign. Now that you have a catalog to promote, go to the Ads Manager page and click on Create Ad. Once on the campaign creation page, select Catalog Sales as your marketing objective. Now enter a name for your new campaign into the Campaign Name field. Then click on the Catalog menu button and select your catalog from the menu. Now click on Set Up Ad Account to quickly select your ad account settings for this campaign. Now you can start configuring the campaign. First, enter the name of this new ad set into the Ad Set Name field. Now click on the Product Set menu button to select the products that you want to promote in the ad. Now move to the Audience section to define your target audience. There are two targeting methods that you can use when configuring a catalog sales campaign. You can select to retarget ads to people who have interacted with your products on and off Facebook, to show your catalog ads to people who have seen your products on your website, on your app, or on Facebook. To use this method, you will need to create and set up a retargeting pixel first so you can track when users interact with your products. Or you can select to find prospective customers even if they haven't interacted with your business, to show your catalog ads to all users even if they haven't visited your site or app. For this example, we are going to select this method. Let's now define the audience. Here we'll do like we've done on previous campaigns. First, we'll define locations. Next, we'll define ages. We'll skip gender and we will select detailed targeting criteria. Next, we're going to click on Show More Options to select our target language. Let's now move to the Placement section. Here we are going to select Manual Placement, and then we will deselect all platforms except Instagram. This is how you can optimize your budget to increase catalog sales on Instagram. Now move to the Budget and Schedule section. Select Daily Budget as your budget type, and then enter your daily budget amount. Now select when to start running your ads, and then click on Continue to start creating the ad. Setting up the ad. Alright folks, now it is time to create the ad. Start by entering the name of this ad into the Ad Name field. Now move to the Identity section. Click on the Facebook page menu button and select the Facebook page that is connected to your Instagram account. There are 3 types of ad formats available: carousel, single image, and slideshow. For this example, we're going to select carousel as the ad format. Let's now move to the Ad Creative section to customize the ad. First, let's select multiple products as a catalog format. Next, let's select Slideshow in the Catalog Card section. This option will show multiple product images from your catalog in your ad. The headline and new feed link description fields are filled with variables that pull information about each product from your catalog into the ad by default, so you can skip this setting. Now enter your ad copy into the primary text field. Next, enter your landing page URL into the See More URL field. Lastly, click on the Deep Link Destination menu button and select Open Deep Link in a mobile web browser. You can see a preview of how your catalog sales ad will look on the Instagram feed and other placements on the preview window to the right. Once you are done configuring your campaign, customizing your ad, and reviewing your campaign settings, click on the Confirm button to submit and launch your product catalog sales campaign.